Hi friends, welcome to SeekaHost India YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to add users to the WordPress website. Without any further delay, let's get into the video.
This video is available in multiple languages. Go to YouTube video settings and open audio track option and choose your desired audio track.
Method 1. Adding the user in the WordPress Softaculous page. As a first step, log into your cPanel account. On the left side, you can see the option named WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Please click and open it. In the Softaculous dashboard, you can see the option named Manage Users. Please click it. On the left side, you can see the option Add Users. Please click and open it. Here, first choose the role for your user. Now enter the username for the user. And next enter your user's email address. Next enter the password for the user, or else you can generate a new password by clicking the key icon on the password field. Then enter the first name and last name for the user. In the website field, please enter your website URL or leave it as blank. After entering all the details, click on Add User. Now you can see that user has been added successfully. Now you can log into WordPress dashboard by the username and password that you have created now. Method 2. Adding the user in the WordPress dashboard. The first step, log into a WordPress dashboard any one of the ways. On the WordPress dashboard left side, you can see the option named users. Please click and open it. Here you can see the WordPress users. In the top left corner, you can see the option named add user. Please click and open it. In this page, please enter your username for the user. Enter the email, first name, last name, press website URL. Enter your password or generate the new password for the user. Finally, assign the role and click the add user button. Now you can see that the user has been added successfully. Method 3. Adding the user through PHPMYADMIN. Log into your cPanel account. Search and find the PHPMYADMIN option and open it. On the left side, you can see the database name. I have only one WordPress website, so only one database is showing to me. If we have more database, we need to identify the database of the website that you want to add the user. For that, go to the WordPress Manager Softaculous option. Expand the website details and scroll down. On the left side last, you can see the database details. Copy the database name and paste it here to identify the database. Once you have confirmed the database, click the plus icon on the left side of the database. Now you can see the tables of your database. On the tables, search and find WP users. Please note that the table prefix will change for each WordPress website. You can open the WP users table. Here you can see the users list of your WordPress website. On the top menu bar, click the insert button. Here the first field was ID. Please leave it blank. On the user login field, enter your user's username. On the user pass field, enter your user's password. And please note that here we have to choose the function MD5 for the user pass. On the user's nicename field, enter the user's username. On the user email field, enter the user's mail. On the user URL field, enter your website's URL. Also, you can leave it as blank. To fill the user registered field, click on the calendar option and click on the today's date. It will automatically fetches the data. And the next field was user status. Leave the field as in 0, don't change any numbers there. In the display name, please enter your user's name that have to be displayed on the WordPress dashboard. After filling the details, please click the go button on the right side. Now the new user has been created without any roles. To cross check that, go to the WordPress dashboard. In the user section, you can see the new user that we have created without any roles. Now we are going to assign the role for this user. Again, go to the PHPMyAdmin and open the same database. Now navigate and find the table named WP User Meta. Please click the insert button on the top. On Meta ID, leave the field as empty. Next was user ID field. Here we have to enter the user ID of the user that we have to set the privileges. To check the user ID, go to WP users table. On the left side, you can see the column named ID. Here, admin for user ID is 4, so I am entering the same user ID here. The next field was meta key. Here we have to mention what we are going to do. The default meta key will be WP capabilities. Please note that you have to add the database prefix here. Here, my database prefix is BN, so I am adding it. And the next field is meta value. Here we are going to assign a role for the user. Here enter the same text that you see on the screen. For your convenience, I will leave the text in the description. At the center of the text, you can see the name administrator. Now I am assigning the admin role to the user. If you want to assign any other roles to the user, change the particular role and S number. For your convenience, I have provided all the predefined text for all the roles in the description. Please check it out. After entering all the details, please scroll down and click the go button. Now the role for the user has been successfully assigned. You can also check it out on the WordPress dashboard. By following these 3 methods, you can easily add the WordPress users to your WordPress website. If you have any doubts on the details that I have mentioned in the video, please contact our SeekaHost India support team. They will assist you on that. If you find this video is helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more updates, don't forget to click the bell icon.